Hello and welcome to the mains PYQ discussion by Neva EAs. We have a question from World History. It's a 12.5 marker from 2015. To what extent can Germany be held responsible for causing the two world wars? Discuss critically. So critical examination is needed here. To what extent can one country like Germany can be blamed for that? This should be for the First World War and the Second World War. So see the structure here. We have divided it along First World War and Second World War. We have given the reasons here that makes Germany responsible and other factors that caused the war, both in the case of First World War and Second World War. So that's the structure of this. We'll start the question by striking a pattern, which is Germany being the losing side in both wars. We'll start like that, then we'll go to the body part. When it comes to World War One, the central powers, for example, the formation of alliance, there were two alliances and Germany was part of one alliance. So that one was called as the central powers. This alliance had Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria and Germany. So this formation of an alliance is one reason, and Germany was the most powerful country among all. So they are responsible in that front, on that front. Second, the policy of blank check. It means the policy of giving unconditional support to Austria-Hungary. Now this is something like the US supporting Israel or the formation of something like NATO. So when you do that, what happens? There will be other countries who will form counter alliances. So this is called the policy of structural realism in political theory. So that also is taking place. Then there are other factors. This is the critical perspective of it. One is rise of nationalism in general and arms race. Both Britain and Germany is aggressively collecting arms or developing arms. That's one reason. So Britain is also equally responsible. Then the creation of power blocks is not done by Germany alone. Other countries are also doing that. Then the immediate cause, the killing of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. So this is the immediate cause. Germany has nothing to do with this as such. He was killed by a Serbian national. So the issue is connected, but the immediate cause, Germany's involvement is very minimum. So we can give these reasons as a critical perspective. When it comes to the Second World War, first reason would be the ambition of Hitler. He wanted to control the entire world and the atrocities that he did. For example, the invasion of Poland. This is the immediate cause of Second World War. If this was the First World War, this is the Second World War. And Hitler is directly responsible for that. Here also we can see an alliance with Germany in it, which is the Axis powers. So Axis powers and Allied powers, that were the two alliances. So Germany again is involved in alliance formation. But there are other factors as well, like the Treaty of Versailles. Who signed that? Germany was made to sign that by the victorious powers. So this in fact led to the rise of Hitler. Then fascism in Italy, nothing to do with Germany there. Then appeasement policy of the West. Again, something that Europe in general is responsible for, especially Britain. So if you look at the question as a whole, we have reasons to blame Germany and there are other factors as well. For every historical phenomena like the World War, for example, we have more than one reason. And that's the perspective that you have to bring in this answer. We'll conclude this like that. Every historical event is a culmination of multiple factors. That's the perspective that we should end this answer with. So that's it. Thank you for listening.